So happy morning, my friends, and we're here right now in Cebu City. It's January 20, saan man? 25, 24, January 24, 1 week to go before the end of January. So pas-pas yung panahon. Pero here we are again, trying to figure out asa agi dali sa atong beloved Cebu City. Sa traffic yung mga dalan. So it's a Wednesday, by the way. It's a Redemptorist Wednesday. So parang asa kataagi. Oh well, just go with the flow. So currently we're in a capital site area. Diba? We're trying to figure out ways to go around the city. So maybe maglahi sa Tag-Agi ron Mango Avenue ta para lahi na mga taga Sacred Heart din na dulong. Pwede tak mag left para magbuhay tao. So anyway muna. So morning baseline, guys. The baseline was really a hot spot last weekend, last Sunday sa mga Batanon, di ba? Na yung mga videos na huot sa dire, daghan nag-inom, daghan nagtrapo-trapo sa naong. It was like the good old days of Sinulog, di ba? Na Pit Senyor. Diha, na yung mga face paint, free shots, free hugs, just revelry. Pero sa mga Batanon yun to normally. Nagkan mo reklamo na ng mga idaran sa una na na yung rapo nila, na yung mga nila, di ba? No, di ba? So say mo na sa generations na. Pero say na yung rapo, especially sa una makiagianan, magyapon agad maglakaw mga kids. So huot yun kayo dira, pero gahapon di rin ganun huot kayo because may parade dito man sa SRP, and in a way, yes, it was so hot that day. Naghan ko nung reklamo, of course, di ka naman likayan, diba? Pero mana kahit pa paano, in a way, Juan ba, Sinulog was the event was ako successful na ako na we were able to hold the Sinulog peacefully. Say di man nato ma-blame ang weather, but peacefully, generally peaceful, di ba? May mga incidents na untoward incidents ba. It was really fun, happy. Diba? So mangita tagkuan. Mga places to and I text na ko ba, someone's asking me because iyang mama mag-celebrate sa 70th birthday niya, and where should they hold it? Kaya na function room na lami ang pagkaon, mangunta na siyang napaway function room ang Majestic, pero gawa na may Majestic sa SM. So maybe ako i-suggest is Cafe Laguna na lang. Na traffic lang ba? Alright. So mani ang traffic karon early morning. till around before 8 o'clock, just the shade before 8 o'clock, so minutes before 8 o'clock. So mapay pagsuot sa mga classes, mga bata. Yeah. Ano mo kuan pa, di ba? Agad magpadung silang trabaho. Diba? So rush hour in a way, this is the morning rush hour. Pero para nako, mas okay lang yung traffic is this is the normal traffic in the morning. Kumpara kita lang traffic sa unang pagkukuan ba pag during last week sa Sinulog. So you didn't see it because I don't like I don't like taking videos na maglihok. Oh, di ba? I don't want na our 15 minutes to just spend in 1 kilometer lang or but yeah. But anyway, this is the typical morning rush hour in Cebu. So normally in other phones, ma-pause man hindi man ma-pause sa iPhone. So we'll keep on talking, but all in all muna sinulog man na. So what's next? Normally sa mga mga corporate like mga hotels, ang ilang what's next is obviously kuan. So next is Valentine's Day. Oh, hapit na Valentine's Day mga bito paspasas panahon na, you have to make plans. There's Valentine's Day kay sometimes there are women in our lives na importante kay nila Valentine's Day. It's like the holiday of lovers. Are you the same nga na baka kanang para nimo kanang super important yun ang Valentine's Day na you expect the works sa imbana or as boyfriend or imong crush, you expect flowers, chocolates and more, diba? Kada bang dinner at a fancy restaurant, diba? Ay mga ingana and it's sometimes may tag funny na, but it's been a tradition to many, diba? To celebrate Valentine's Day, to make that day special, diba? Yan ay uban mo ingon na yung mga laki na pilosopo, every day is a Valentine's Day. Lalimang ang every day Valentine's Day, waka mabuang. But yeah, dapat yun bito na every day should be like treated like a Valentine's Day. You take good care of your the one you love, diba? Diba? Mao na ang point rana. We're not saying na we're not saying that you will spend so much every day, but kung maka-afford ka, why not? So what's a good place for Valentine's Day in Cebu? There's so many. I mean, daghan na kay restaurants, nag-andam mga deals, mga hotels, mga motels even. May mga Valentine's deals. Sa motels gali. Sa motel gali, bawal gali 8 hours na kuno. Okay. They expect people to go to a hotel. Ay motel. Puro sa kuno. Kuya sa kay kuan ba? Kuya sa kay tripping ba? All the days you're gonna go to a motel. It's on Valentine's Day. Or maybe that's an act of love. Pero wala ba maghuot-huot mo dito. It's just kuan. But yes, it's a big help sa mga motels mo nilang peak season. They expect people to arrive na nag-fully booked sila, which is quite interesting really. Bitaw interesting sa naoy kay lahi sa ba mga habits sa mga tao. So one of the stoplights ni sorry ha, we had a lull also because I'm reading some messages because they're early morning messages that, or mga late night messages na wala to na replyan, di ba? So over ang Kalami Cebu, of course, sa atong page na sa mga yung mga utana, may mga about the mga new videos na ko. The new video is all about Del Pastungulan, and that's where I ate yesterday. Pero mauna, wala ba? If you love offal, if you love pork intestines, mga tumbong, sphincter sphincter bitaw, yeah, it's like lubes, we call it lubes. Kind of weird we eat those parts, but yeah, those are really strange but yummy parts. Mga bizarre food, extreme food they say, but yeah, those are food na you normally, some people throw away, pero mga farmers sa abroad, even sa abroad, mga farmers, mga hog racers, that's the part that they enjoy the offal, and most of the cheap parts, then nagtipid ka, but when it comes to fat content, maybe even the flavors there if you know how to clean it, diba? So mauna, so we're entering Cebu Business Park. Dirita. Indot daw ning Ayala ba kung limpyo na kung ana. Guapita na. So yeah, this is the Cebu Business Park. Batik ng daan dito sa ino ni mga kinala nila upgrade. Pero the roads on the other side is gonna lindot na. And money, what happened? There's so many businesses here. Despite the time na mo mag-work from home na, people are prefer their employees working at offices na sa road. So man ito pang agian ba, but atong sukayan ng new road rin na pwede na batang diretso, di ba? Oh yeah, somebody si click pagkinahan. So welcome to Ayala Center, Cebu. That's one of the major malls here in Cebu. So mga social na malls from the Ayala group. Kanina daan there was closed for quite a while, so finally nakaagi na balik dali. So this is the city sports, then we have Cebu Holding Center, Keppel, so it's back, so the road is open. Hindi ang other side pa niya ang na-upgrade, diba? So anyway, muna guys, we had a great, we have a great trip. So, and thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll keep on joining me. This is Cebu on January 24, 2024. 1/24/24. Have a nice day, have a nice week ahead, have a nice day, have a nice week ahead, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.